Oh, this is the guy. This is the guy. Bro, this is not the sewers. You lied to me.
Hey, pal.
We're not in the
You got any of
sewers.
them Rhino holo cards?
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief. Stands for Rip You a New One. See, the Gadgetron guys, they knew the plans would be too dangerous to leave in any one location. So they split them up and printed them on a bunch of holo cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these holo cards, and thus, the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the holo cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend. Here, take this trespasser. It may help facilitate the acquisition of said merchandise.
This dude lied. He said, oh dang, what happened? Somebody came ripping up through here. Are these toys? Oh, please tell me they're not selling toys of the most dangerous creature in the game.
The trespasser can rotate selected control ring to point lake detected port power remaining port with remaining laser.
I hate doing these things. Anytime I meet up with those things, I'm gonna just skip them because this thing's complicated.
You keep looking for more. Travel to other planets and stuff. Holo cards are everywhere.
I'm not doing that. Forget holo cards. Look at these cars, though. Single file line, all this driving space. You know it ain't gonna be like that in the real world when we get flying cars. People gonna be going their own ways. That's what you really gotta worry about. You know, you can have a product, but it's the people. It's the people that's gonna be the problem.
Let's pick a new planet. I have a hunch there's still something important to do on Rilgar.
That's not important. Oh, I have a hunch there's something important to do. Win a cup. Maybe in Ratchet and Clank world. maybe in Bobby world. Nobody wasting any time.
Whoa, you're swimming in bulk.
And so our heroes return to Operation Falling Star. Their mission, to seek out and destroy Drek's top secret experiment.
Okay. Auto hack. Yep. Always auto
And
hack.
that's how our heroes bypass the most confounding puzzle in the galaxy.
Attention scientists! Chairman Drake here. I just wanted to thank you for all of your hard
I wonder
work
who that voice
these
actor
last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here.
Ratchet, look out!
The weapons you're creating will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our kind.
There he is.
I don't know why I just got
You
real.
got a lot of raritanium. Come see me for an upgrade.
I don't know why I just got real serious.
All available units, go to Research Station 5. The creatures have been selected.
Oh, these aren't theirs? Well, that's what I'm talking about. That's what y'all get. That's just straight karma, bruh. Y'all been releasing these stupid things all over the place. And now you got a bunch of frog things on your ship. And it's killing you. You deserve it. What's happening? Oh. Ah! I thought I was going the
What is
wrong
all
way.
this? It appears Chairman Drake has been growing his own army.
Why did I do that? Oh, those things are gross. Snapping turtles. dragon things. Oh, I'm gonna leave that one in there. You're good.
Deactivated.
Why would you have a door that does that? Once again, though, pretty cool. Bad dog. Bad snake biting turtle crab monster demon dragon shark. Oh my god. I need help. Health. Yeah, I need some help too.
This is just a reminder that all projects, files,
Ah!
and experiments are the property of Dragon.
Get back!
I welcome all feedback. Should you disagree with this policy, feel free to voice your concern to one of the armed murderous warbots currently patrolling the hall. For your safety.
Yeah, I was never scared. I ain't never gonna be scared, nigga. Back up, nigga. Sit down. Ugh, got this thing roaming through the halls.
The subjects have escaped. Every flag for him or herself.
That is so good. This is your boss doing.
Captain, come in. It looks like Drek has been experimenting on creatures.
Ha! It'll take more than a few thugs to scare off Captain Quark. Unless there are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get comfortable in this bed.
I'm dead. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh man, I actually wanted to hear that. Too bad I'm too buns and actually got murked.
Oh dear, more of them.
Saw that coming. Oh no! Am I stuck in here? They could at least left the door open. Oh! Yeah! That's how you do it. Back up! Back up! Back up! Don't do this! Oh God! What are you? Get out of here! You big stupid dummies! You big dumb bullies! Oh, this is when they glitch again. Oh my god, I have no more ammo. Bridge attack! Bridge attack!
I recently
Bridge
heard that a few
attack!
sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Oh, trust me, I already know about the wrench. It's the only weapon I have left. You don't have to tell me about that. This is crazy! Oh my god, their accuracy! They're learning! Ah! Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me, dude. Thank God, more ammo! Is there any help over there? But there is a gadget from. Alright, if I make it through this, I will upgrade. I'll use the Omega Seeds. Oh my. Well, I guess I'm not upgrading. Dude, they bapped me, bro. Really good. Like, that was a good shot. Oh, good. I don't have to fight him all over
Have
again.
been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Get down. You guys aren't tough. You guys actually... Oh, come on! Can I shoot these things?
Hello, Blarg. I've recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet, and should you be caught feeding it, its next table will be you.
Keep your spit to yourself. This is a PSA from upper management. I'm so glad they have an auto hack feature, because that is complicated and unnecessary.
How about a combustor upgrade?
Fine. I actually want to upgrade this one. Because this is, I feel like this is
That's
more,
one of our best sellers.
you know, useful.
That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Oh, maybe I should add this one. We're just gonna max this out. Is that it? Oh man, I actually maxed it out. That's what's up. And the combustor. I'll just do bullets. I think I could max this one out too. No, I don't have enough. I started off with 40. Bump it. It's only a 70% completion. What is the rest of these? I did all that and I only have 4 left. This looks cool. I shouldn't have upgraded all that.
Good choice. Don't forget, let Mr. Zircon do the work for you.
Wait, where's the... enemies? Shake more enemies down for more hollow cards. Why would I ever need hollow cards? What the heck is this?
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast. Chairman Alonzo Trek thanks you for your sacrifice.
What the fuck is that?
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
It is. I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain?
That's kind of messed up.
Oh boy.
Why would you send somebody off to fight this thing by themselves? That's just messed up. I got something for you. Look at that.
Uploading Browntown Protocol.
Oh! This is doing nothing to this dude. I got 66 bullets. Might as well use them all. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. What is this dude? Do they have a weakness? Does he have a weakness? Oh my god, this sucks. Oh, and the fire! Oh, the lava does kill it! I gotta get him standing in the lava. Get in this lava, boy! And Shark Girl! What a goofball!
We've lost control of the subject.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Watch out! It's gonna charge! Dude, this is so... Dude, this is so stupid. Go! What? Dude, that is bad. Is he Bowser?
Oh boy, out of ammo.
I couldn't have chose a better time to upgrade mine. I'm out of all ammo? Dude. Oh, nice. Thank God. I forgot I haven't been using these boxes.
Mr. Zircon intends to rectify this.
Run! I should have bought that guy a long time ago. I didn't know he had. Bro, I was over there. Don't even play. Why are you even playing? Ah! He was a lot closer than I thought he was. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, wow, that is really good. Sheesh. Dang it! Bro, he is all over me. Where's the health?
Mr. Zircon gives you a concerto of submarine.
Ammo, please! Oh, God! Ah! Dude, this is not cool. I was not ready for this. I really wasn't. Dang, dude.
Subject appears to be mildly ticked off. Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into lava. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit.
So the lava does affect it. It has to. I mean, why would they even be talking about it? Plus, he clearly turned. Yikes! Oh! They really want you dead, Ratchet. I don't know what you did. I don't know who you pissed off. Get away from me! Try that. This is Zoltar hell! Get back, bro! Don't on me like that! Bro. Clank, get off my back and help me! I need help! Bro, I can't believe I got him down this low. That is surprising. Get! Jesus! Get Jesus!
With a vengeance.
Hey!
Whoa!
like an instant blood clot. Flee in your position.
Ah! Yes. Yes! Get him, Zerton! Whoops.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Bro, I promise! You're not about to get me with that fire, bro. Yeah, yeah! Come on! 5, 4, 3, 2! Get him! Take him out! Yes! Take him out! Bro, I swear to you, if I fucking die, bro, I'm gonna be fucking hot. I'm gonna be hot as him standing in lava, bro. Get him, Zircon! Get him! Get that fucker! Yeah! Yeah! Fuck yeah!
I yield! I yield!
No,
Please,
fuck
don't
that.
hit me.
Hit him with a wrench.
Tell us what. Tell us what you have. Hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what he said.
I
I
can give you
forgot
this
games
info
even
box.
had boss fights.
You watch this one, pal.
Why does everyone
I'm just
have
gonna
one
take
of
5.
these? I would have been like,
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention, the XK-81 Jetpack! Though initial testing had a few small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 Jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The XK-81 Jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snaggle Beast
Where is
and
he?
found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
they're still up there? Dude, this is so bad. He is not mean enough. I would have went to fight, fucking shooting these dudes, killing them and all. I'll take it. I mean, it's right in front of my face. Might as well grab it.
Hey, I bet the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gaspar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, Alaris can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring one jetpack. Captain Cork must fly like a bird.
Dude, what the heck was that? I was so not expecting a boss fight.
Hey, do me a favor and buy something, will you? I make a few more sales, and I win a set of steak knives.
Oh, steak knives! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh.
Boom! That's how it's done.
Make him stay with me longer. Should I go ahead and just...
Fully loaded.
I can afford all these. I think.
Yes! Oh, I just might make my quota this week. Now go out and set the world on fire.
I thought I bought this already.
Let's pick a new planet.
You mean like Gaspar? The actually last planet we haven't been to yet? No! I'ma get you, blargs. I'ma get you, blargs.
All right, let's go find you a new jetpack.
I'm staying with the bolts, though.
Riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Bro, why does it look hot out here?
Nefarious has built quite the operation here.
You're not kidding. Let's check this place out and see what we can find.
Gonna find a lot of death, a lot of sand sharks, and a lot of robot dogs. Robot dogs! Oh, what the heck? What the heck and heck? What you got there, buddy? A turret? Oh, yeah! I feel you. I'm feeling the turret. I'm a fuck with you.
Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
I will try not to be offended by that.
Get this. Sit down by your own mechanics. I'm gonna shoot these birds up the sky. These bird bats.
I see we have visitors. It is the latest crop of the last
Whoa!
morons.
What the hell?
You like
Back up!
because you're never ever leaving!
Go ass up. Dang! Zoltar, get him! Those look like those things off the Incredibles. The little robot that spin really fast with the knives and whatnot.
Hello, sneaky aliens.
Drop that turret down there. Boy! You ain't ready for this. You ain't ready for this. I was about to say, if I didn't make that, Frank, you was fired. Don't run now! What the hell was that?
Mr. Zircon is born.
It's the things off Subnautica. Kill him! Kill the Leviathan! Destroy this guy's ship! Ruin his day! Live life a living hell! There was something running up. Oh shoot, I forgot to shoot the door.
Nanotech, do you wish to take a nap too, Longbacks?
Shooting my doors! Those are custom made, you know?
Whoa! Whoa, what are these dudes?
See? Nothing to it.
Why do I taste donuts? I taste Krispy Kreme for some reason. What's this purple thing? Oh, it is. No, don't run now. Don't run now. That mean we want to get your mo. That mean we want your mo, baby.
Why are these imbeciles still alive? Send those strike teams to Sector 3 and annihilate them before I lose my patience!
will not live. You will not. Yo!
Mr. Zircon.
Dang it. Yeah, I got that upgrade. Got that upgrade. Get him. Turn him into Swiss cheese. Whoa. Turn him into Swiss cheese.
Mr. Zircon lives only to
You tell him, Zircon. Tell him how much of a dweeb he really is.
Reinforcements. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon?
He is a confident little bastard, ain't he?
Have you been killed by Mr. Zircon yet?
What the heck? What hit me? Whoa!
More enemies on approach.
Give me this thing.
Reinforcements.
Where? Oh, right above me. Oh, right above me. I can't get them. They're actually right above me. Oh, how are you still alive? Mr. Zircon? What happened? What? I just got off of that. Oh my. Dude, they are not playing me, bro. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Zircon, I need you to help. Seriously, bruh. Oh my god. I am getting so blessed right now. Fudge! Alright, I'm full health again. How y'all live, kiddies? Tennis balls. Hey, there's only one of them at a time?
Incoming enemies detected.
Is it really only one at a time?
More enemies on approach.
They do not last that long either. This is why they keep coming. Get off of that! Hit him in the foot! Oh!
Die.
Hey, are those grind boots?
A tripad lock.
Yeah.
In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
So it like jumping? 9 seconds? 8 seconds?
Cool. Grind boots.
And that completely unlikely location is where Ratchet found a shiny new pair of grind boots. With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt onto the rail.
Did I now?